Welcome to another episode of Racing2Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses RC to get kids excited about math and science. And today we've got our Kraton, our Arrma Kraton 6S. We haven't run this in quite a while. Today we're just going to run on two 2S packs, so 4S here. But haven't taken this truck out for a spin in quite some time. Just some of the modifications. We've had a lot of repairs on this, but in terms of modifications, relatively few at this point. We had some other upgrades in the past, like the tires and whatnot, but we went back to stock. We're running a Proline C10 body on this. In order to get this this 8th scale monster truck body to fit, you've actually got to change the body posts, right? We're actually just running these body posts off of a T-Max or E-Max that fit right on. You just have to put some bolts through the stock holes there in the shock towers to a piece, and you can fit one of these bodies right on. So this body has taken some abuse. We didn't actually paint it. Kind of on purpose, wanted to show off the internals, but also I don't really enjoy painting RC bodies. So I just went ahead and trimmed this one. It's a pretty thick body. It's held up pretty well. Minus there's this one big crack here that just put some shoe goo and drywall tape on to fix that. So we're just going to be running on 4S today. Enough for a quick backyard bash. And away we go here. So we're running the Fly Sky GT3B here that works with the stock V1 radio. For the V2 stuff, the Arrma switched over to tactic receiver and transmitter, which doesn't work with the Fly Sky stuff anymore, unfortunately. Just doing a little backyard bashing here. Nothing too crazy. Don't want to push the truck super hard since I haven't brought it out for a while, and want to shake out any possible kinks or bugs for racing it a little bit harder here. You can check out our previous videos in our Kraton playlist. We bashed this truck quite hard. It's broken quite a couple of pieces on it. Still a great truck here, definitely sturdier than many other trucks out there. Didn't seem to be running as smoothly as it used to. Probably have to look at some of the bearings. The bearings on these trucks have been known to need replacement here. They're not sealed, or they weren't sealed, at least in version 1 from the factory. They were just metal shielded bearings, and we did have an issue with some of those, so probably have to give the truck a once over here. Thanks again for watching. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, and we'll catch you next time. Check out the other videos in our playlist and also our channel. Thanks again for watching.